Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, lengba ka National Sample Survey Office, bat ka Field Operation Divisions. Henne kasni ka khatsau tere ujileu kala pelong yaki jing aje hikai ka baars ngi kanthi. Halor ka jingle khoi le suba ya ka bala pelong hapo Assam House Shillong. Hadin kene lapan bot pat da ka jinge ther halor ka jingle khoi hakabam ka di ka shong ka sa bat ka jinglom nikteb halor ka jingdon jingkibre ki badan jingduna hakit khatman. Ya ka kai phot halor kene ka jinglom jingtem on sa airu shaka sarkar pleng bar ka sarkar jala knang ba onla ban shim ya karai ban thawi ki policy trekam.
In each round we cover different subjects. So now we are going to start our 76th round survey. It will start from July and will go up to December 2018. This survey covers the subjects of persons with disability and drinking water, sanitation, hygiene and housing conditions. These two subjects we will cover in this round of survey. For that we are conducting this regional training conference for our field officials who will start collecting data from the field from July onward. For that this RTC is being conducted. And this is currently being conducted all over the country in different regional offices of NSSO. During the month of June, all these regional training conferences will be completed.